So if we are having 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 5, then answer would come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how to show them on the number line? Number line we will show them like this. Number line of natural number we write n over here. What are we write natural numbers like beginning from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll show a little more. But what are the answers coming here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll put a dot on 1. 2 is the answer, we'll put a dot on 2. 3 is the answer, we'll put a dot on 3. 4 is the answer, we'll put a dot on 4. 5 is the answer, we'll put a dot on this. Finished. If there is no equal sign here, then 1 we will not include. Then answer will come 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll start putting the dot on 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2, 3, 4. This dot will not be there in that case. Similarly, if this one is not there, then 5 also we cannot include here. Then we will not put a dot on 5. So this is the answer. This is called number line. We are showing on the number line this value, this solution, and this is how we are writing the solution. Solution set is this, and this is a number line for it. If the situation is like this, if the situation comes like this. Now another example. Suppose we are having answers coming like this. X less than 5 and x is whole number. This is answer. How to show this answer? We have the solution. X value is less than 5 and x is w is whole number. So what are the whole numbers less than 5? We will write that answer. Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 up to 4. If there is equal sign, we will take 5 also here. And how to show them on the number line? On the number line we show them w we write here. We write whole number here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll show a little more. Don't show minus because minus cannot be whole numbers. Got here. Number line you must not go with the minus sign. 0 is the answer, put dot on 0. 1 is the answer, we'll put here. 2 is the answer, 3 is the answer, 4 is the answer. Finished. Say? No, that will be wrong. Whole number time we have to give separate dots. Natural number time separate dots. I am coming to all those points. Now just see, learn it what I am teaching. Okay. Then suppose we are having a situation coming like this: -3 less than x less than 2 and x belonging to I integers. How to write on the solution? What are the solutions here? Solution set will be what? Between x lies between -3 and 2. And but x is integer. What are the integers coming between -3 and 2? We cannot include -3 because there is no equal sign. We cannot include 2 because there is no equal sign. If there is equal sign, we include that also. So our answer will come here -2, -1, 0, 1 up to 1 like this. These are the answers. If there is equal sign, we will include 2. If there is also equal sign, we write -3. We start with -3. And how to show them on the number lines? On the number line, we will show like this. I integers. Here we write 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. We show negative also, positive also. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. What are the answers? We will put a dot only on those answers. -2 is the answer, we will put a dot on -2. -1 is the answer, we will put a dot on -1. 0 is the answer over here. 1 is the answer, we will put here. Finished. This is the number line for this answer, and this is the solution set. Now, if I have same question here -3 less than x less than 2, and but x belongs to R, real number, x belonging to R, like this, then what would be the answer? Now R is real number now. Same question but x belonging to R, real number. So how to do now? Let's see. This time solution set will be writing the same thing. We cannot write with the comma, separate answer. We cannot write. We have to write the same thing as answer. Solution set will be like this only. X belongs to R. This is the solution set, and number line we will show like this. Number line R will show 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Here also like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. What are the answers here? Between -3 and 2. So -3 we will do here, and 2. 2 also will do here. And there is no equal sign, we will keep a hollow dot here. There is no equal sign. And out here, less than 2, there is again no equal sign. We will be putting a hollow dot and join them by a line like this. Join them by a line between them this way. This is the answer. Do you know why I am doing so? There is a reason behind it. Because this time answer between -3 and 2 will be infinite numbers. Infinite numbers will come in between. Because R, x belongs to R. R is all type of real number. That means your answer may come here. -2.99, -2.98, -2.7, 2.8, 2.893, anything can come there. Even less than 2 can be anything, it can be 1.99, it can be 1.34. Question is, suppose this is the answer to -3, less than x, less than 2, and x belongs to real number. Solution set, we cannot write with the comma. That answer is not possible. Real number is all types of number. It includes point, it includes fraction, everything. That means 1.99 also can come. 1.9999 also will come. 1.98 also we can't write. So many numbers are there, infinite numbers. We cannot write specifically. That's why solution set will remain like this, and the number line will show like this. -3, write -3. This side is 2, we write 2. There is no equal sign, we'll keep a hollow circle. There also no equal sign, we'll keep a hollow circle. And we join them by a line. That is, in between them, all the numbers are being covered. All the numbers are covered. And 1.99, 1.98, everything is being covered. That's why we draw a line like this, straight line. We cover everything by drawing a line, continuous line from here till here. We will not give separate dots. We will not give. Rather, we will be drawing a line only for case of real number. Only in the case of real number. Other time, whole number integers, they are limited answers. Will be writing with comma answer, and will be showing them on the number line separately, separate dots. By chance, if there is an equal sign over here, there is an equal sign. So the -3 with the equal sign, that means we will be doing like this, thick dot. That is including -3, like this. And this side, but excluding 2. Excluding 2 is hollow dot. Excluding 2. If here also there is an equal sign, then here also we will keep a thick dot. We will not keep a hollow dot. We will draw a solid dot here. Here, that side also. If equal sign is there. I hope it is clear. Now I will give questions. Okay, you will get the video tomorrow. So please minus some out and you see the video. Okay. Question will come as solve. I am giving a question here. Just see. 3 equal to x plus 1 less than equal to 4, and x belongs to real number. That is the question. 3 less than x plus 1 less than equal to 4, and x belongs to R, real number. Question says find the solution set for this and graph the solution on the number line. They will always ask about number line. Okay, now just see the solution how I am doing. So there are two inequalities coming. One is here, one is over here. So we will separate into two parts. Like this, we can draw a line. Separate one equality here, another inequality there, the other side. This part we will separate from here till here is one part. Let us write this 3 less than x plus 1. I will copy it first. Other side I write x plus 1 less than equal to 4. Other side we take from here till here. First part from here till here, till this one. Second part from here till here I will take. I will find the value of x and you must keep x positive. If you bring x, this will become negative. You must keep x value, sign for x before, sign coming before x must be x, must be positive. That is 1, you take this side, that is 3 minus 1, this is coming 2. Other side, this one will go the other side, it will become like this, x less than 4 minus 1, x less than 4 minus 1 is 3. Now we will come and therefore we write solution set equal to, what kind of number is this? Real number. We cannot write this separate answer, we cannot write. With the comma we cannot write because this contains everything, infinite numbers. Then we will be combining this one and this one together, right? That is 2 less than x less than equal to 3. And here you can write x belongs to R, real number. This is how we will be writing the solution set. And how to show them on the number line? On the number line, we will be drawing this previous way like this. Real numbers, let us show some real numbers 0. This side minus 1, minus 2. You will show little more 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Where is the answer? 2 and 3. Here we will put 2 real numbers, we will draw a line here. 3 is another one, 3 is another one. There is no equal sign, I will keep hollow dot. There is equal sign, so I will keep a solid dot and join them by a line like this. Draw the line. Answer. This is answer. Okay. Now I will give another question. Okay, question says this is ICC 2003. Question number 14 from your book. Solve. Write in question solve 2 less than equal to 2x minus 3 less than equal to 5 and x belongs to R, real number. And mark it on a number line. Question says that also. Mark it on a number line. You have to draw a number line for this. So we do it the same way. We separate the question into two parts. We split it into two parts. First part will be written as 2 less than equal to 2x minus 3. Second part will be written as 2x minus 3 less than equal to 5. Now we find the answer. This x, if it comes here, become negative. Keep the x there only, so that it remains positive. Minus 3, you will take this side. 2 plus 3 less than equal to x. 2x. This is 5 less than equal to 2x. The number 2 will come on divide. 5 by 2 is less than equal to x. We can change this answer in decimal. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Like this. You can keep in fraction or you can change in decimal. Go to the other side, minus 3 will go that side. 2x will be 5 plus 3. 2x, 5 plus 3 is 8. X value is coming 8 by 2. Therefore, x value is coming 4. What kind of this set is real numbers? We write solution. Solution set, we just copy them. We write as 2.5 x less than 4. X belongs to R. This is the solution. How to show it on the number line? We draw the number line and you know the method of showing it. R, write real numbers, then this is 0. Some number you show minus 1, minus 2. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, 6. Answer is 2.5 and 4. So 2.5 comes here in the midway. Here you can write 2.5 like this. Equal sign is there, so thick dot. 4, again equal sign is there, 4 is over here. Give a solid dot and join them by here. So done. If this is by chance, if this is the set of integers, suppose, then that time we will not write answer in this format. We write answer with the comma format. Comma we write. Between 2.5 and 4, what are the integers coming? What are the integers between 2.5 and 4? 3. We can't take 2, though equal sign is there, but 2.5 we cannot take because 2.5 is not integer. So we will start with 3 and the second answer 4 up to 4. 3, 4 would be the answer. 3a comma 4 only. And where how to show them in the number 9? We show the dot only on 3 because answer is exactly 3, so we'll show the dot on 3. The answer is exactly 4, we'll show the answer on 4, like this, separate dot, no line dot. No hollow dot, no thick dot here. That specific answer will be putting the dot on it. Yeah, only for real number we will be using hollow and the thick dot. Only for real number. Because real number covers everything. In between all type of numbers will be covered by drawing a line. Okay, now I give another question. Solve. Question says solve. The equation is here. 2x minus 5 less than equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11 and x belongs to I integer. And do the same thing. Find the solution set and draw it on the number line. That is the question. This is the question of year 2011. ICC 2011. Now how to do? We draw a line separate. 2x minus 5 less than 5x plus 4. Other side we get 5x plus 4, then it's 11. This x, which side to keep? If you keep this side, it will be negative. 5x and 2x, 5x is bigger, then this one you stay in that side and number you bring this side. Then you can add minus 5, minus 4, 5x minus 2x. Minus 5 minus 4 gives minus 9. 5x minus 2x is 3x. This 3 will come down, right? You get minus 9 by 3. 3 3s will go, you get minus 3 less than x. This side solution, answer will go. Other side. This 4 will go the other side. 5x less than 11 minus 4. So 5x, 11 minus 4 is 7. Therefore, x value is coming. X value is 7 upon 5. X value is less than 7 by 5. We can divide and find the answer either mixed fraction or decimal. Decimal value will come 1.4. Now I write solution. Solution set. This time we will not write the solution set in that format. We will write in the comma format, comma, because integer is there. Only for real number we will be writing. We cannot write with comma format. Comma because it covers everything real number. What are the integers coming between minus 3 and 1.4? What are the answers coming? We are including minus 3. What are the answers? Let us write the answer. Minus 3 is the answer itself. Minus 2 will be there. Minus 1, 0, 1. I can't write 2 because 2 is more than 1.4. This is the solution set. I know how to draw the number lines. We draw the number line and we marking this numbers only as the answer, a specific answer. Then we will be drawing the line like this. In figures I, here 0, here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus. Show a little more. We said 1, 2, 3. What are the answers? Minus 3 is the answer, a specific answer we will show. Minus 2 is a specific answer, show. Minus 1 is a specific answer, show. 0 is a specific answer, 1 is a specific answer. That's it. Hope you understood it. Simple. Now the next question is over here. Solve. Question says 3x minus 5 less than x plus 3 less than equal to 3x plus 7 and x belongs to R real number. Here is the question. Let's do. First, what should we do? We should copy split the inequations given. Let me just write this 3x minus 5 less than x plus 3. Other side I write x plus 3, 3x plus 7. By drawing a line, you split into two parts. I'll solve this part first and then I'll go to the other side. 3x and x, which one you think is better? I'm sure that 3x is better. So that means other x will be in this side. Don't try to keep x negative. That means x will come this side. 3x minus x will come 3 plus 5. 3x minus x will become 2x 8. Therefore x value is coming 8 by 2. X is coming 4. 2 4 are cancelled. Come to this side now. Again 3x is bigger. This x will go that side. The 7 will come here this side. That 3 minus 7 equal to 3x minus x. Minus 4, 2x minus 4 by 2. Like this 2 to the will go, you get minus 2 less than x. Now I write solution set. What kind of set is this? Real numbers. We cannot write answer in the comma form, we cannot write. Let us put them together and write. While putting them together, we'll start it from, because x is here and x is that side, we'll start from this side. This is smaller, no? Minus 2 is smaller than 4. I will start from this side, writing answer, right? Minus 2 less than x and x is less than 4. I write that x is less than 4 and x belongs to R. Writing 10 will be writing in this format. Now the number line we should draw for this solution set. I think you know how to draw the number line. R, here we will be writing 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Little more you can show. Minus 2 with the equal sign. The minus 2 will have a thick dot. 4 without equal sign. That means 4 is going to have a hollow dot. Join them by a line. Because this is a set of real number. This is done. This chapter is quite easy. Now the next question is the solve. The question says solve minus 3 less than minus half minus 2x by 3 less than equal to 5 by 6 and x belongs to R, real number. There is the equation. 5 by 6. Again, x belongs to R, real number. Okay. Let us split it into two parts first. That minus 3 less than minus half minus 2x by 3. Other side minus half minus 2x by 3. 5 by 6. We see x is only here, but if you keep it this side, element negative. Bring it this side and minus 3 will go that other side. Right? First 2x by 3 minus half minus 3 you are taking this side, become plus 3. Now below this you have what? Take LCM. You get 2x by 3. LCM is 2. Minus 1 plus 2 3s are become 6. 2x by 3. 6 minus 1 becomes 5 by 2. Now x value will become like this, cross multiply. 3 5s are 50. 2 2s are 4. 15 by 4. X value is coming less than the value of x is less than 50 by 4. Okay. Yes. Okay. The other side, x part is minus, you take it the other side and the number will be in this side. You can write minus half minus 5 by 6 is equal to 2x by 3. Again I will take LCM. LCM is coming 6 here. 2 3s are, so 3 will come here, minus 3. 6 1s are, 5 will come here. 2x by 3. Minus 3 minus 5, minus 8 by 6. 2x by 3. I do cross multiply. This will come minus 24. 6 2s are 12. Yeah, you can cut also. You can cut. If you want, you can cut it. 3 lines also you can cut. It's the same thing. Other random lines for 3 8 are 24, 6 2 are 12, x. Now I cancel now here. So you get minus 2 less than equal to x. Yeah, you can cut also, no problem. 15 by 4 will come how much? 15 by 4 in this fraction will come 3 point something. In 3 whole number, 3 by 4. Or in decimal it will come 3.75. So let us write the answer here. How to express the answer? You express the answer from this side, minus 2 less than x, this side. Because x is the other side, this side. So we start from here, this side. Minus 2 less than x, less than this one, you are combining together 15 by 4 and x belongs to r. No? Yes? Yes? Show this answer on the number line now. Number line r, here you are writing 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Again here numbers you have to draw hollow dot, thick dot. Minus 2 equal sign is there. So minus 2 will have a thick dot. No equal sign. 15 by 4 is 3 point something. So 3 point something will come somewhere. 3.75 comes here somewhere. So here you write and put a hollow dot and join. And here you write exactly 15 by 4 or 3.75 right here. So this is the solution. Hope you got the basics. So please try. Next day we will do some more problems and this chapter will be over. Few problems we have to do and the chapter will be over.